Sorry. So yeah, the shampoo, and that's for that. So here is the pine. Let me. Oh yeah, that smells great. A bit too piney, but still smells great. This is the gold moss. Oh, they got a little smelling hole right there. I didn't notice that. Cool. Oh, I really like that one. I'll probably use this every day. Smell that, son. Smell that. Yeah, he like it. He like it. Smell that one. He like that one too. Ha ha ha. My son has great taste. And this is cool. This is the obviously soap dish stamped with the Dr. Squatch on there. Looks like it was made outside the woods, which smells so much like the soap. Oh, it's great. And there it is, the pine tar. Oh, it looks like I have 2 pine tar. I don't think they supposed to send me 2 pine tar. It says 1 on the invoice here. See, 1. It's supposed to be cedar citrus and a pine tar and a gold moss. So they messed up on that. It's no biggie. Maybe it's in here somewhere else. This is okay. This is the Cypress Coast, 100% natural shampoo. I don't smell anything. Must have a cap and something. Yep, there it is. Don't smell anything through that. So I'm gonna open that up and see what that smells like. Smells like hand sanitizer, or I guess shampoo. It smells good. And it's definitely the shampoo, moisturizing shampoo. And we have the conditioner, which is Cool Citrus. And they're different, so I don't know why they would send me something different, but send me 2. It's supposed to be 3 bars of soap, but they're all supposed to be different. But I have 2 pine, 1 gold. I'm supposed to have a citrus, a cider citrus, pine tar, and this gold moss. Cool. So this is Cool Citrus conditioner. Let's smell it and see what it smells like. I'll probably be talking differently after I use this stuff, so just a forewarning. Definitely going to be using it today. Oh, it's creamy. Okay. Definitely smells more like the pine tar than I thought it would. But that's everything, guys. And there we have it. We have that soap bar, soap dish. Let me put these right here. And that's everything. I'm a little disappointed that I have 2 of the same thing, but it's okay. Let's see. Nothing else is in the box. And nope. Just wrapping. Yep, that's pretty much it. So I'll stick that back in here because I don't want my son to be playing with it. And there we go. I'll use it and I'll let you guys know how it feels, how my lady feel about it, how my little guy feels about it, and that's it.